Bright QT. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session children, we are going to discuss a few questions and answers from the topics that we have covered so far. So children, the first question is, what are shadows? Okay children, so let us begin with what are shadows. So children, whenever an opaque object, it comes in the path of light and it blocks the path of light, then it will create a dark patch behind it, and this dark patch is known as the shadow. So children, what exactly are shadows? Shadows are actually the area of darkness which is left, that is, it is this area where light has not reached. So this is known as the shadow. So we'll repeat it once more. When an opaque object blocks the path of light and creates a dark region behind it, then this dark region is known as shadow. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Can shadows be colorful, children? So children, if you take a green notebook, then you take a blue notebook, then you take a yellow notebook, and you place these all in the path of sunlight. Okay, so observe the shadows obtained in each case, and you will observe the color of shadow does not depend on the color of the object. Why? Because the actually shadows are the region of darkness where the light has not reached, so it has no relation to the color whatsoever. So shadows cannot be colorful. No, the shadows cannot be colorful. The color of shadows is only black. Okay children, so let's move ahead to the next question. What are the conditions for obtaining a shadow? So children, say we have to obtain a shadow. So what are the conditions that we need? So children, we will be needing first a source of light, which is very important for obtaining a shadow. We need a source of light. Then we need an opaque object. When we need an opaque object to block the path of light, right? Then finally we will be needing a screen to obtain the shadow on. Okay children, so we'll be needing a screen, right? So these are the three essential things that we require to create a shadow. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Shadows always gives us the idea about the shape of the object. Is it true or false? So children, this is false. Sometimes they do give us the idea about the shape of the object, but in cases like, suppose I create an image of a flying bird with my hands. So when we observe the shadow, we can see we will be able to see that it is a shadow of a bird. But is it really a shadow of a bird, or is it just an illusion? So children, it was just an illusion that we have created with our hands. So children, sometimes these shadows can be misleading. Okay, so the answer is false. So children, that's it. These were the question and answers from the topic that we have covered so far.